If Photoshop keeps showing the error occurred message, don't worry, because in this video I walk you through the fastest fixes you can try right now. This is a common issue when exporting, saving, or working with a project that has a corrupted layer, a problematic folder name, or a settings conflict inside Photoshop. The good news is that in most cases you can solve it without reinstalling the app or losing your work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes and software guides. Now, let's get straight into it. First, if the error seems to happen with only one file, one layer, one group, or one artboard, the quickest workaround is to flatten your layers. To do this, go up to the Layer menu and choose Flatten Image. This can help if one part of the file is damaged or causing Photoshop to fail during export. If you do not want to flatten the entire project, another option is to duplicate the problem layers into a brand new file and export from there. This often clears out hidden file issues and gives you a cleaner version to work with. Next, check the folder name where you are exporting your file. Photoshop can sometimes get tripped up by special characters in the destination path, especially symbols like hashtags, slashes, or other unusual characters. If your folder name includes anything that looks non-standard, rename the folder to something simple and try again. A clean folder path can fix export problems faster than you might expect. If the error is still appearing, the next thing to try is toggling Legacy Export As. This is important because many export issues come from the newer export module. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Export. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then Export. Look for the option that says Use Legacy Export As. If it is checked, uncheck it. If it is unchecked, check it. Then click OK and restart Photoshop. This refreshes the export behavior and can clear up bugs that are tied to the current export system. Another major fix is to disable the graphics processor. If Photoshop is showing a program error, your GPU driver may be conflicting with the app. To test this, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Find the option that says Use Graphics Processor and turn it off. Click OK, restart Photoshop, and then test the same action again. If the error disappears, then the graphics processor was likely the cause. In some cases, the issue comes from corrupted preference files, which can create random errors across the app. To reset Photoshop preferences, go to Edit, Preferences, and then General. Look for Reset Preferences on Quit. Click it, confirm with OK, and then close and reopen Photoshop. This gives the app a fresh start and can solve strange behavior that builds up over time. If one fix does not work, move to the next one in order. Start with flattening or duplicating the file, then rename the holder, then toggle Legacy Export As, then disable the graphics processor, and finally reset your preferences. One of these steps usually gets Photoshop working again. And that's it. You now know the quickest ways to fix the Photoshop error occurred problem and get back to editing without the frustration. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting tips, creative workflow tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.